All right, so this is a video do. We're gonna talk about the 10-second rule. Oh, I dropped my chicken wing. Oh, I dropped my hot dog. Oh, I dropped my filet. Oh, I dropped my French fry. 10-second rule. In short video format, not long videos, okay? In short video format, you need to have something going on every 10 seconds. If I just stand here and talk to you for like a couple minutes, no titles, no gags, no changes, or how about this? Pop in, pop out, pop in, pop out. See, even that makes something happen. You can't just sit there and talk to people. You're gonna kill them. So every 10 seconds, try a title. Now everything you're saying is flashing in a big title. It helps carry it. Or if you're making a point, a long point, make the point appear on the side, and now it's still there. Now while you're talking, they know what you're talking about. You can also cut to another video or a movie scene.
This burrito is delicious, but it is filling.
You can chop in a little animated graphic to show like what you're trying to talk about. You can also have music start or stop. That kind of helps. So every time you're doing a video that's like a minute long or less, 30 seconds to a minute, maybe even 2 minutes, every 10 seconds, make something happen to keep them reeled in. Tie lasso out. Peace. I'm gonna rope that camera.